This question is JEE Main 2015 question. This is a chemistry question. Question says the vapor pressure of acetone at 20 degrees Celsius is 185 torr. When 1.2 gram of a non-volatile substance was dissolved in 100 gram of acetone at 20 degrees Celsius, its vapor pressure was 183 torr. The molar mass of the substance is. Different options given are 32, 64, 128 and 488. This question belongs to chapter Liquid Solutions. If you recall colligative properties, one of the colligative properties is relative lowering in vapor pressure. And that says relative lowering in vapor pressure means vapor pressure of pure solvent minus vapor pressure of solution upon vapor pressure of pure solvent. That is equal to mole fraction of solute. Now vapor pressure of pure solvent is given in the question 185 torr. Solvent is acetone. Vapor pressure of solution is also given 183 torr. Now if I substitute these values, it will be 185 minus 183 upon 185, and that is equal to mole fraction of solute means mass of solute upon molar mass of solute that has been asked. This is nothing but number of moles of solute upon number of moles of solute plus number of moles of solvent. But the solution is a dilute solution. We can ignore or neglect number of moles of solute with respect to number of moles of solvent. So in the denominator we can write mass of the solvent upon molar mass of the solvent. Here solvent is acetone, that is CH3COCH3. If you try to find molar mass of this solvent, 3 carbon, it will be 12 into 3 means 36. 6 hydrogen atoms, that is why 6, and 1 oxygen, so 16. Total it comes as 58. Molar mass of solvent is 58. Now if you solve, molar mass of solute will come as 1.2 into 58 into 185 upon 100 into 2. Now if you solve, it approximately comes as 64. The value comes approximately as 64, and that matches with the option 2. So option 2 is the correct answer.
This video is presented to you by www.testprepadda.com. TestPrepAdda.com provides free audio-visual lectures of different subjects by expert faculties, free online tests prepared by expert faculties to students who are preparing for engineering or medical entrance exams or planning to take exams like KVPY, Olympiad. It provides a platform where students can interact with mentors to improve their performance in the exams. The mission of this online medium is to help students to achieve their goals. Log on to www.testprepadda.com to watch free video lectures on different topics, to download free revision notes, to take free chapter-wise online tests, progressive tests, and mock tests, to discuss doubts with mentors. Thank you for watching this video. To stay up to date with latest videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like us on our Facebook page, Test Prep Adda. All the best.